One stormy night, three adventurous kittens named Pip, Momo, and Noodle discovered a stranded duckling near the riverbank. The wind was howling, and the water levels were rising fast. Without wasting a moment, Pip grabbed a sturdy leaf with his tiny paws to create a makeshift raft. Momo carefully guided the frightened duckling onto it, while Noodle used a long stick to push them toward the safety of the shore. Word of their bravery spread quickly among the animals in the meadow. From then on, Pip, Momo, and Noodle were known as the River Rescue Kittens, always ready to lend a paw whenever someone needed help. As the rain poured down, the kittens worked tirelessly against the current. Finally, they reached dry land just as the sun began to peek through the clouds. Exhausted but triumphant, the kittens watched as the grateful duckling quacked happily and waddled off to find its family.